thinking that that should be the correct orientation. But here we go. Put the battery in this plane and just get it up in the air. FJ3 converted from FJ2, kind of neat. You can see I'm actually in Van Alstyne at a industrial park, and I just want to get this thing going. This is the test with the flaps that have been installed now. As this thing was coming in, as I like to say, like a bat out of hell. And I think I brought the wrong batteries. Well, no, I brought the right batteries. I'm installing the wrong battery in here. Oh, that freaked me out for a little bit. I'm like, oh man, I bring the wrong battery. As you know how it is, it's always something with these models in these planes. Okay, let's do this. Let's see how this plane performs after all has been done to it. I know it's idle. Let's take a look at these flaps. Takeoff flaps, landing flaps. Seems to be working. This is high rates, low rates. I think we're ready. Let's just do this, huh? Wish me luck. FJ3, let's do it. Coast is clear. Looking good, looking good. It's full throttle right there. Not a speedster. Flaps up. Seems a little tail heavy. And that's what happens when you take your eye off the plane. She's done. And that battery's done. I've never had luck with these planes. Look at that battery. Look at that thing. Oh my God, I took my eye off that plane for 2 seconds. And that's what happened. All that work, all that time, done for. Wow. How sad is that? That's how quickly things can just go to shit. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that 6S battery. Holy shit. Wow. That's insane, man. That's just a pile of rubbish right there. Oh my goodness. I had the perfect place to fly this plane. What the hell was I thinking? That's it. Bottles of beer. Where's the canopy? Am I missing the canopy, or is the canopy there? Wow. Yeah, I'm missing the canopy. I'll go find it. Wow, wow, wow. What a mess. Wow, wow, wow.